Hi, my name is Ahmad Mahmoud. Today we talk about introduction to program. We start with agenda. The agenda of today start with what difference between program and software. Then we talk about what is program development life cycle and the type of program language. We have many program language and with many different. Okay, and what the difference between syntax and semantic? Then will we talk about C sharp language? Finally, we have a game according to decision and IQ game. Okay, start. What difference between program and software? The program set of instruction tell computer what to do and how to do. Okay, like average program. You need a small program, small function to calculate average between five numbers. We have program factorial. We need a factorial for specific number. It's a program, small in structure to know the result for any function like summation, like average, and so on. Software. Software more difficult. It's many of program integrated with each other to generate a software. Hmm. Software, many of program integrated with each other, like Facebook. Facebook is a software. Have many program like chat program, post program, emotions program. All of them integrated with each other to generate software like Facebook and so on. Okay, we have program develop life cycle. To create any program, to create any software, we needed life cycle. The life cycle to create any program or any software, six phases. Start with program, problem definition, then analysis, then algorithm, and write coding, test. Finally, we have maintenance phase. Okay, for example, we have a problem to need to sort the number. It's a problem. I needed to sort many of numbers, like 10 numbers and so on. We can use it manual, of course, but we need create a program to sort this problem. Okay, the problem analysis, we needed to know how to insert the data and how to display the result ascending or descending and so on. In this phase, we make analysis about the problem and the input and output and so on. Algorithm. We need to know each algorithm which will be used in this case. We have many algorithms to sort like bubble sort, insertion sort, and many different type of sorts. Okay, determine one of them like bubble sort, then write coding done, write coding to sort 10 number. If you finish, we needed important phase like testing to test the program, to evaluate the program to ensure the result is correct answer or not. Finally, we needed in sometimes maintenance phase. Maintenance phase to add new feature in your software, to remove if you found any error, to fix it, to remove any function and so on. Yeah. Finally, we have six phases to create any software or any program, starting with problem definition, analysis, uh, algorithm, write coding, testing, finally maintenance phase. Okay, type of programming language. We have many type of programming language. Start with low level language. Each computer, each laptop know one language, only one language, 0, 1. Each computer know one language, 0, 1. But we know and we can learn high level language like C sharp, Java, Python, C. It's a high level language. Why? Because it's easy to learn, and low level it's more difficult, more complex to learn. Okay, but we have a problem. Human write high level language, but PC or computer like machine code. To solve this problem, we needed intermediate level. It's compiler and assembler. Compiler and assembler translate high level language to low level language. Compiler for each language. We have a compiler for Java, compiler with C Sharp, compiler with Python to convert the high level language and the sentence to low level language, and the assembler translate to 0, 1. Okay, or machine language. For example, we have small sentence using machine code and assembly code and the high level language. This is sample for program write with machine language. More difficult. I know, more difficult and more complex. It's not easy to learn, for be honest. Sorry. Now, will we talk about C Sharp language? It's a programming language, support object-oriented programming, developed by Microsoft, running on .NET framework. It's widely used to make many of applications. We can use C Sharp to create a website, to create desktop application, mobile application, gaming, web service, and so on applications. Okay, we have syntax or semantic error. When we write the code, we will face this error, semantic and syntax. What the difference between them? Syntax error, it's a grammatical error. Error in the rules of the language. For example, Java or C Sharp say in the end of any statement, you must write semicolon. If you forget semicolon, it's syntax error. The program prevent for execution. The program not compiled. We will give a message. We have error. It's a syntax error because we detect error in rule of language. But semantic error, the program compile free, the program running, everything is okay, but the result incorrect. For example, we need to add two number, but but instead to plus we write minus. Mistake. The program running, but the output is not correct. Incorrect result. We have incorrect result. It's logical error. Okay, يبقى syntax error, it's grammatical error. Semantic error, logical error in coding. Syntax error, we run not running the program, but semantic error running but incorrect answer. Oh, it's a game. Now we have small game and the funny game. I needed to find this word for 5 minutes. After the student finish, will we give prize, small prize for the best one, then show the correct answer. Finally, we have a funny game, IQ game. Finally, if you have any question, please ask me. Thank you.